Hello everyone, I'm your fitness friend Rashmi Raghuvanshi, and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, and we are going to do a flat tummy workout. Yes, you got it right, flat tummy workout. But before we start, let me burst few of the myths which we all have. हमें लगता है कि अगर हम 100 सिटअप्स करेंगे रोज़ तो हमें फ्लैट टमी मिल जाएगी, या अगर हम रोज़ एब्स वर्कआउट करते हैं, बस एब्डोमिनल मसल्स का वर्कआउट करते हैं तो हमें 6 पैक एब्स या वो फ्लैट टमी मिल जाएगी. स्पेशली इफ वी टॉक अबाउट लेडीज़ और गर्ल्स सिटिंग आउट देयर, हमारा फेवरेट टॉपिक यही होता है कि हमारी बॉडी तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, मुझे बस ये कम करना है. फर्स्ट थिंग, देयर इज़ नथिंग कॉल्ड स्पॉट रिडक्शन. अगर आप चाहते हो कि बस ये कम हो जाए, ये नहीं कम हो, दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. And second thing, if you want that flat tummy, you have to keep the basics clear. Basics means it's not only about abs workout, it's about a complete package, which means that you have to do a full body workout which includes cardio, which includes resistance training. You'll have to lift weight, you'll have to work on your legs, and along with that you'll have to eat clean also. So if you're doing all these three things together, then only it's possible to get that flat tummy. Apart from that, if someone is telling you that रोज 100 सिटअप्स करो और आपको फ्लैट टमी या आपकी टमी बिल्कुल फ्लैट हो जाएगी, that is next to impossible, and I stand by my words, guys. And I'm telling you seriously that you either, if you're working out even thrice a week or 4 times a week, it's perfectly fine, but try to mix your workout. Do weight training, lift weights, do a workout on the whole muscles, means each and every body part, and along with that then do your abdominal muscles. बस एब्स वर्कआउट करने से आपके एब्स टोन हो जाएंगे, थोड़ी मसल्स डिफाइन हो जाएंगी, बट इफ़ यू वांट कि बिल्कुल टमी फ्लैट हो जाएगी, that is not possible. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Start with the workout. Let me tell you that there are 4 circuits and each circuit has 2 exercises, and each workout we are doing for 20 counts. 20 counts each exercise without any break, and 3 rounds. So first circuit 2 workout, 20 counts, 3 times without any break. Then we'll take a quick break of 30 seconds, then second circuit, then third circuit, and then 4th circuit. So we have to do 4 circuit. Let's start with the first circuit. In first circuit we have 2 exercises. First is crunches, which we generally do most of the time, but let me guide you what is the proper form and posture, because generally I have seen people doing it wrong. Lie down on the floor, engage your core first. So try not to keep it like this. Engaging your core means tilting your pelvic area so that there should be no gap in between your spine and the floor. Tuck it there, arms behind your neck. Try not to keep it like this. Maintain the gap between chin and chest. Distance between your legs should be shoulder width apart. While coming up, you have to breathe out from your mouth like this. So breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. You have to do this for 20 times. So 20 counts, crunches, slow and control. And then the next workout is plank and twist. So for this, come in plank position, elbow just below your shoulder, body should be in one straight line, spine straight, and then twist. Bring those sides down, twist, down. This is an excellent workout for your love handles. Yes, love handles, जो प्यार इकट्ठा कर रखा है हमने साइड में, but it should be slow and controlled. Don't drop it down like this. Don't give it a jerk. Go slow and control. Squeeze your abs and your glutes, and 20 counts. So this was the first round. Second, you have to do it without any break. So immediately start with the crunches and plank twist. So you have to do it for 3 rounds without any breaks, 20 counts each exercise, and then now we'll go to the second circuit. In second circuit also we have 2 workout. First one is reverse crunches and second is hold in plank. So we will be doing 20 reverse crunches and 30 seconds hold in plank. Again we have to do without any break, 3 sets without any break, and then we'll be taking a 30-second break. So let's get started. Lie down on the mat, palm below your shoulder. Now bend your knees, bring it up till here, straight, go down. You have to repeat it for 20 times. 3, bring it up, breathe out, go down. 20 times, and then hold in plank. Turn, hold in plank for 30 seconds. On your palm this time, palm just below your shoulder, spine straight, body should be in one straight line. Squeeze your abs and your butt and hold it there for 30 seconds. Keep breathing, breathe, 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 and keep going for 30 seconds. Come down without taking any break. Again go in the same position, again do reverse crunches, and then 30 seconds plank, and then again third round without any break. And now let's start with the third circuit. In third circuit we have the first workout is heel touch and the second one is scissors, and I'm going to tell you how to do it. Again you have to do it 20 counts each exercise without any break and 3 rounds. So let's do heel touches first. Lie down on the floor, again engage your core, so tilt, engage, distance between your legs should be shoulder width apart, and now you have to touch your heels with your palm like this. If you want to make it more difficult for you, you can keep your legs a little far away from your body and crunch your sides. It also works on your sides or your love handles. So as we are focusing on the complete abs workout, we are trying to cover lower abs, your upper and your obliques also, which are known as love handles. So keep going like this for 20 counts, and then the second one, as I told you, is scissor. For doing scissor, keep your palm below your hips, legs straight, and lift up like this. Go slow and control. You can either do it like this or you can crisscross like this. So you can do it both the ways, crisscross or up and down. But try not to breathe. Keep breathing. Keep going for 20 seconds. It works on your lower abs. And you have to repeat it again. So again go and do heel touches, and then scissors, 20 counts without any break, then third set also without any break. So first, second, third set, each set you have to do without any break, and that's the reason I told you that you are going to complete this workout in just 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so now the last circuit and the fourth circuit which we are going to do. Circuit, we have to work out. One is abs ladder, and which is also known as abs climber, and the second one is windshield wiper. Both are a little difficult, but as it is the last round, we can do it. So let's start. Lie down on the floor, engage your core, tilt your pelvic area. There should be no gap here. Raise your leg up, and now you have to lift up your body, knees up and up. This is little difficult but very effective. So 10 on each leg. Up, up, up. This is 1. Up, up, up. This is 2. Same on the other leg. Up, up and up. Again up, up and up. And try to maintain the gap between your chin and chest while doing it, like crunches. As I told you in the crunches, same, you have to engage your core. raise your leg, and then while coming up, try to maintain this gap and breathe out from your mouth and up, again up, up and up. So 10 each side and you are done. And the other workout is windshield wiper, palm below your hips, straight legs, raise your leg up, go right and tap your legs on the left. Little difficult but very effective. So this is both the side. When you do both the side, this is 1 and this is 2. So you have to do it for 20 times, and then again you have to do ab climbers. Again you have to do 20 times windshield wiper. Both of them are little difficult but very effective workout. This was the last circuit, so I made it really difficult for you guys so that you could feel it in your abs. This workout hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes of your day, and I hope you can do it twice a week. So if you're doing it twice a week also, it's perfectly fine, but make sure to take a gap of at least 48 to 72 hours before repeating it. तो कभी भी आप किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट का वर्कआउट करते हो, जनरली से बाइसेप्स या बैक या कोई भी, तो ऐसा नहीं कि आज ही उस मसल्स पे वर्कआउट करा है तो कल आप कर सकते हो. 48 से 72 आवर्स का गैप होना ही चाहिए. सेम गोज विथ योर एब्स. एंड एज आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू एवरीथिंग कि रोज एब्स करने से आपके एब्स फ्लैट नहीं होंगे. प्लीज फॉलो इट एंड यू विल सी द डिफरेंस इन 30 डेज. मे बी सबकी बॉडी डिफरेंट होती है तो किसी को ज़्यादा टाइम भी लग सकता है. तो आप किसी और को देख के कि इसने इतने दिन में रिजल्ट्स मिल गया, प्लीज़ परेशान मत होइए. कीप योर सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड. वर्क ऑन योर ओन बॉडी. एवरी वन हैज़ डिफरेंट बॉडी, डिफरेंट mechanism, different system. So you should take care of your own self and eat well, eat right, eat clean, work out, and it's all about consistency, guys. I'm telling you, it's not about how fast you go. It's like you go slow but be consistent and you are going to win, and I promise you that. So with this note, I am going to end this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit that like button if you like the video, and please give me your comments so that I can come up with more such videos. If you want me to cover any of the topic which you are concerned about, I'll definitely make a video on that. So with that note, I would like to say thank you for watching me. Take care of yourself. Bye.